Christmas!
Spend the holidays with Leo Buscaglia.
This is really a time for love and for peace and for joy and for tenderness and for the expression of those things. We came rushing down, you know, here with this whole family, and there are all the stockings laden with everything else, and there's my stocking with a stick in it.
Share the memories and the joy on Stories of Christmas Love with Leo Buscaglia.
Join us tomorrow night at 8. Thanks to all of you who called in the gift of your pledge during our recent membership drive. Remember, to take advantage of a tax deduction, we must receive your check by December 31st. And if you didn't get a chance to pledge, you can dial 1-800-359-7788 right now, and by using a credit card, still qualify for that 1989 tax deduction. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle all the way. Did you know that nature could be patriotic? Join Marty Stoffer Saturday night beginning at 7 for Beautiful Blues on Wild America. At 7:30, watch Robe of White on World of Survival. Then at 8, see the Coral Divers of Corsica with Jacques Cousteau. Don't miss Red, White, and Blue this Saturday beginning at 7.